That's real. Go up. Just thinking about that Hall of Fame shit.
Just do it one more time, like that.
Yes, sir, young. Everybody right now, pull out your phones right now and go vote for us so we can be up in there and just say we did that. If you love the family like that, go vote for us right now for this Rock and Roll Hall of Fame. We almost up here. Represent.
You see that QR code on the side of your...
Put your phones on it now.
You get that on your